Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Chat on Windows. So I'm using Windows 11, so you can open the Google Chrome and you can go to Gmail account and select settings and select see all settings, and you can select chat and meet and select the Google Chat. Just save change and you can see, just wait. You can see the chat section at left. Just click on it to start use the Google Chat on Gmail account. But you can also download the Google Chat standalone. Standalone, just go to chat.google.com and decide in here at the top right in a bar in the search bar you can find the install icon. Just click on it to install. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.